Hi there. Thanks so much for swinging by Jami Jo Sells Wax here on YouTube. I am so excited that you're here with me today because I have an unboxing to do. I have not even opened it. It is still completely sealed up. So we're going to have a great time unboxing the Whiff box of the month. But first, if you haven't been on here, I want to introduce myself. My name is Jami Jo and I have a partnership with Scentsy Fragrance. I have been working with the company, partnering with them for 15 years now. I started as a customer and quickly became an addict. I decided to share Scentsy with my friends and family, and the business kind of took off. I was able to quit my full-time job, and this business has afforded me many different freedoms in many different areas of my life. That's not what this video is about. If you want more information on the business, there's other videos about that. Today, like I said, we are doing an unboxing. But before I start that, I do want to let you know, if you love Scentsy products and you always want to hear about the latest and greatest things, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you will always get alerts to my videos. But now, I was going to say but first, but that wasn't first. That was first. This is second. But this is what we're going to do now. We're going to unbox this Whiff box. Now, what is a Whiff box? Obviously, it's a pretty big deal because it has its very own box. Whiff box is something Scentsy decided to do a couple years ago. They create a surprise box of goodies every single month. It changes every single month, and it has really evolved over time. Now, one really fun thing that they just announced to us was that from now on, there will always be a Whiff box exclusive product in the Whiff box. They've tried this a couple different times, making something just for Whiff box purchasers, but now they've decided that they're just gonna do it every month. So I know there's something in this box that you can only get if you purchase a Whiff box. So while I am cutting the seal and unboxing it, let's talk about price. Whiff box has 3 different price points, and I'm gonna go over US pricing. It is $35 if you just purchase it. Now you can do that by just going to jamijosellswax.com or reaching out to me and placing the order. Okay, I have to close that because it's so exciting while I finish this discussion. If you want to get a 10% discount on your Whiff box, which would make it $31.50, normally $35, $31.50 with 10% off, just add it to Scentsy Club. Scentsy Club is our customer loyalty program, and it is freaking amazing. Scentsy will ship items to you however often you choose. You can do it monthly, you could do it every other month, you can do it quarterly, which is every 3rd month. When your Scentsy Club is $30 or more, you get 10% off. Whiff box is $35. If you add that, you automatically get that 10% off. Now, here's the really cool thing with Scentsy Club. There's a lot of perks with Scentsy Club. I have full videos on that. I'm just highlighting them now. Another cool perk with Scentsy Club is when your order hits $60 or more, you can choose an item for half price, and it can be the Whiff box. That would make it $17.50 for the Whiff box. Now, Whiff boxes cannot be discounted any other way. I don't get a discount on them any other way. A hostess can't get a discount on them any other way. Scentsy Club is the only way that you can snag that discount on the Whiff box. Okay, I saw what was in this box, and now I want to show you. This is the cute little paper that comes in it every month. We get a little teaser paper sitting right on top, and it says deck the halls with fragrance. And there's this cute little Santa penguin. Guys, there is a warmer in this month's Whiff box. And this warmer, we have had him before, but he's no longer offered just for purchase by himself. He is a Whiff box exclusive. So this is one of our mini warmers. If you have never seen our mini warmers, they are freaking adorable. So this is what he looks like. Got the little light holes on the back to be a little night light on the wall. You've got your dish for your wax here. Now, let me show you how these work. They come with this little base here, and you pop the light bulb in that. My trusty scissors. This is a 15-watt light bulb that is going in the mini warmer. So you'd put it there, and then you just pop him on here. You plug it in. This can rotate different directions. So if you have crazy plugs, you're good to go. Plug him in, turn him on, pop some wax in that top dish, and it's gonna melt down and make your room smell amazing. Guys, these are normally $25. All our mini warmers are $25. So already we're at a $25 price point on this. But this box has so much more stuff. It has meat at the mistletoe. Let me smell this. I like to smell it from the bottom. It just gives a better scent experience. Oh, yum. Now, I don't have the scent descriptions on these. This is, I believe, next month's scent of the month. That's always included in the box. And there's a couple more things in here and I recognize them. So I think this is the scent of the month for next month. It's definitely pine, but there's something else mixed in there. I'm interested to see the scent description on that. I haven't seen it yet. You also get a bar of Sleigh Ride. This one, was it in our scents of the season? No, I thought I'd seen this. See, this is what happens when I do a live unboxing, or not live, but unboxing. I don't know anything about anything. This one is definitely pine. So good. Maybe this was in our holiday 5 bar pack. Maybe. Let me look. Yes. So I do know the description of Sleigh Ride. It is crisp air, fallen fir needle, and tart cranberry. Guys, I can't keep track of everything. We have so many freaking scents. I love woodsy smells. So that's a good one to me. And then we have caramel or caramel praline cake. I know that this was in Scents of the Season because I just did a video on that not long ago. I'm not normally a foodie. I don't normally like food waxes, but this one's good. You can definitely smell all 3 of those notes, the caramel, the praline, and the cake. If you love bakery scents, even if you don't, I think you're gonna like that one. Okay, these are $6 each, so $18 plus $25. I don't math well. $43, yes, $43. But wait, there's more. There's 2 more things in here. You also get a hand cream in Tinselberry. I think our hand creams are $9. So we're up to $52. And then look at this little cutie, a scent circle. It's shaped like a cute little house, Christmas cottage cider. Now, this comes in the Scentspiration set that is releasing very soon as well. Actually, by the time this video launches, it might already be released. But we normally make these in just a plain circle. How cute is that with the little house? Christmas cottage cider. It's a super yummy cinnamony and cider. It smells so good. So these are normally, actually you can't buy these by themselves. They just come in the Scentspiration set, but our scent circles are normally $3. So if I have mathed correctly, and no guarantees on that, this box is valued at $55. $55. I wish I had a calculator, but I don't have one here handy. And at the most you're ever going to pay is $35, but you can get it for as cheap as $17.50. Holy cow. That is a fabulous, fabulous deal. Like I said, the best way to get your Whiff box is through Scentsy Club. You can do that at JamiJoSellsWax.com. You can reach out to me anytime. In the comments of this video, let me know any questions that you might have, or feel free to text me anytime at 918-888-9690. Guys, excuse me, I am thrilled with this month's Whiff box. I think it's fabulous, and I think you'll love it too. My name is Jami Jo, and I hope that you have a sensational day.